Hello! In front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Maps offline. In the beginning, let's enter Google Maps. Tap button in the right corner and go to Offline Maps. Now select your own map and adjust the area you want to download. Tap download and now wait a little bit. When downloading is over, simply enter your map and turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data. Right now you can navigate offline in area you downloaded. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.